By and take a look at the 2014 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for, from any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, child safety locks, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.